Redux, a JavaScript state management library, which is 90% convention and 10% library. When different components of the app needs to share information back and forth, things become very messy very quickly. The philosophy of Redux is to keep a single source of truth instead of each component managing their own internal state. And this dramatically simplifies the state management process. Redux is based on three core principles: actions, reducers, and state. Remember, when I said Redux is 90% convention, it's these three concepts. These concepts are not Redux specific. There is a saying that Redux don't need Redux. To understand what it means, let's take a look at actions and reducers. Action is an object with type and payload as key, which is dispatched to reducer. Reducer is a pure function which returns a new state based on actions type and payload. Pure function is the key here. See, in React there is a hook called useReducer. So with combination of useReducer and useContext, you can achieve the same behavior as Redux without actually using Redux. That's where the saying comes in: Redux don't need Redux. In fact, you can implement your own Redux library in just 24 lines of code. I have linked the repository down below, and make sure to give it a star while you are at it. Here is the complete flow. Dispatch an action, reducer returns a new state based on actions type and payload, Redux store is updated, and the app is synced. The 10%, which is the actual library, are the helper methods and performance optimization techniques provided by Redux. So, that was Redux in a nutshell.